Hello, I'm Turulhan, and I'm a product designer at Arduino. I work as a part of the Arduino education team. Today, we're at Malmö University in Sweden to talk about the brand new Arduino product, the Arduino Engineering Kit. But before that, let me tell you a bit about what do we do at Arduino. We create software and electronic hardware to make complex technologies easy to use. As Arduino education, we focus on creating intuitive learning experiences through preparing state-of-the-art concepts, hands-on projects with our industry standard software. And Arduino Engineering Kit is one such product. It is a result of a collaboration between MathWorks and Arduino. There are tens of thousands of people who are controlling Arduino boards with MATLAB software, and this is what inspired us to initiate this collaboration. You can ask, who can use the Arduino Engineering Kit? Everyone who has fundamental engineering knowledge can use this kit. For example, if you're an undergraduate or postgraduate program teacher, you can use this kit to teach engineering concepts to your students in an engaging way. It can either be used as a group assignment or individual assignment. Well, you don't have to be in the university to enjoy this kit. If you're an electronics enthusiast or want to be one, the Arduino Engineering Kit is suitable for individual usage as well. What do you actually get when you buy the Arduino Engineering Kit? You get access to our online learning platform, you get 1-year license for MATLAB and Simulink, and you have this box which contains all the electronic and mechanical components that you need for building the 3 included projects in the kit. These are basically everything that you need for learning the fundamental engineering concepts, mechatronics, MATLAB and Simulink softwares, and how to use them for programming Arduino boards. So, shall we see what's inside the box? When you open the box, first thing that you will see will be this inner sticker. On the left side, you can see all the information that you need for registering your kit and how to download MATLAB and Simulink programs. On the right side, you can see all the components that are included in this box. So let's see what's in here. On the left bottom corner, we have a camera. In the middle here, you have all the nuts and bolts that you need for assembling the 3 projects. We also have 3 shafts here. We have 2 50mm D shafts and a 90mm shaft. On this corner, we have 2 DC motors with encoders. They are mounting brackets and nuts and bolts. On the compartment above, we have a free spinning DC motor. Next to it, there is a servo and its headers. You will also find a Hall sensor and an ultrasonic sensor there. Next to them, you will see a timing belt, 2 timing pulleys, 2 pulleys, 1 propeller adapter, a caster wheel, 2 magnets, and 3 shaft collars. Here, you will find a LiPo battery that you will be using for powering the 3 projects. On the top compartment here, we have 1 international socket adapter, 2 module cables, a USB cable for connecting your Maker 1000 board to your computer, a cable for your battery adapter, and 2 whiteboard drawing pens. So, let's see what is inside the box in the lower compartment. Over here, first thing that you will see will be the 3 included boards. Arduino Maker 1000 board, Arduino Maker motor carrier, and the Arduino Maker IMU shield. Next to them, there are 3 envelopes with the plastic parts that you need for the 3 projects. The first one is self-balancing motorcycle. There's mobile rover and drawing robot. You will also see 2 wheels and tires for them here. We have a sticker for vision recognition of mobile rover, a thread for drawing robot, and a battery adapter. So these are all the components that you need for building the 3 included projects. Apart from these, you will be needing a pair of scissors, screwdrivers, a hex key, and some tape. I hope you found all this information useful. I would like to thank Malmö University for hosting us today. For more information or to buy the kit, you can visit the official Arduino store page, store.arduino.cc. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.